Today, we will be making a frothy, fluffy, rich, light, and on top of that, yummy-licious coffee. Now, let's add 2 teaspoons of sugar and coffee in a mixing bowl. And add 1 teaspoon of hot water. Mix it with wire whisk until it dissolves completely. When it is already creamy, let's add 1 more teaspoon of hot water and another 1 teaspoon of sugar and whisk it again properly. This time, we're almost done. Let's add more 1 teaspoon of sugar and coffee. Just be patient. This process is tiring, but in the end, it's totally worth it. Finally, 1 more teaspoon of coffee and sugar. And now, as you can see, the color turns darker and the frothy is more thicker. This is the perfect thickness of our frothy. The thicker, the better. Put some cracked ice on the glass. Pour some milk. And on the top, of course, our frothy cream. That's it! Hope you enjoyed the video! Please hit the like and subscribe button if you haven't yet. Thank you everyone!